Okay guys, welcome back. So I'm tying myself up just a few wee spent mayfly, wee detached numbers. Now just start off, just get yourself a good strong needle in the vise. The thread I'm going to use is just the uni thread, 801 black, and we'll use this to tie the fly as well. Now if you find that because this is a round thread, the uni, if you're cutting through the foam, just use a UTC or another brand of flat thread. Now just on with the turns, and they're semi-tight. There's no real tension in that thread there at all. Now get the tail fibres. This is just some black Chinese cock hackle fibres, and I just sort of want this around about half the length of the body or so for the tails over the back. Again, no real tension on those thread turns. Just trim away the stub ends and give yourself that, just a wee bit of the needle at the back. Just want that sticking out. Then take your foam, cut this about 3 or 4 mil wide with the V cut in the middle, and that's just the house, the tail fibres. Then just come round with your thread 4 or 5 turns, fold back the foam, and just take a couple of turns in front. To your next segment, again I'm stretching the foam back over the needle, 4 or 5 turns, again in front, and you're just going to do this the whole way up, and you're looking roughly about 6 segments or so. This is the most important part, this part here. The thread. This is what's holding basically the whole thing together. Just bring it in front, stretch the foam, bring your thread up straight. That's our 6 segmentations in the body. Wee bit finish. Now don't be trimming this right up tight. Again, trim that out here. Now you can. This is the best time to do it. Is now. And this is for the angler. This is for me. The fish, you're not going to worry about wee marks up the side of the body. And then we'll pop this off. So just take your 2 pieces of thread, and it should just genuinely just slide off. So you just come in and just pop the foam off, and then take this piece of thread here, pull it tight, and there we have our detached body. And you can do this with any colour of foam. You can tie your daddies like this. Dead easy. Don't be shying away. It's dead easy to do, and that's our wee foam body. Now take this out and we'll get the hook in the vise. Okay guys, so the hook in the vise is a Kamasan B100 in size 12, and we're just going to use the uni 801 black. So we'll just come in with our thread at the end of the hook, and we're just working our thread turns back until we're sort of way in line with the point of the hook. Then we'll just take our detached body for this up on top, pinch and loop nice and tight, because the foam will want to it'll want to spin on you. So just catch it in nice and tight, and take a couple of turns in underneath to secure it, and then a few turns in front to secure the actual thread. Then we'll come in, nip away the foam, Now what I do is just come back up over the top, just get everything positioned the way you like, and take a wee drop of super glue, we let go onto the thread, and then just sort of a belt and braces here. Just catch all this down. Right. Just check, make sure you're happy. Got it in the sitting on the straight on the shank of the hook, is what I mean. Then to split the wing, this is just a bit of black close cell foam. The stuff here, I think it's like 70p out of the craft shop. Just catch it on top, nice and tight. Now, I want to dub this section here out with some red light brite. This is obviously, there's no red hot spots in the natural, but this just helps it stand out. Just dub that part of the thorax out. Come back up tight. Then we want to spin our thread to take out the twists. So just take out the twist, flatten the thread with my thumbnail. Come in with my dubbing needle. Open the thread up. Go again. And then what I have in the Patty-Jean clip, guys, this is 2 CDC feathers, dyed blue done, and one of the, this is an old grizzle hen cape I've got. Just use one of the bigger feathers at the top. So it'll be a nice soft presentation with this wee fly. So just offer this up into the loop. Just get it all the length. And then we'll just put the twist back into the thread. Just let them come back in. Dead easy to tie these, guys. You don't shy away from them. People will shy away from tying detached bodies like this, but as long as you get the presentation underneath correct, which is what we should only be worried about, not looking at the fly side on or from the top. So take the fibres in each turn, just sweep these back and up, and work the fibres forward. Right up to the eye of the hook. Just keep going, forget about it. It looks a mess at the minute, but don't worry about it. Just keep sweeping the fibres back. Clear the eye, which is the most important part, so that you can get your leader through. Then take your Velcro or whatever you use to bring out your fibres or dubbing, just bring it out on top, and then just sort of split these best you can. I don't be too fussy if I'm honest with you. Then just bring over your foam, bring all these fibres up and back. Now just put a bit of tension on the foam so we're splitting the wing. Come round with a turn. Now I'm going to use the foam as the actual head of the fly also, so just want to get it straight, and I'm working the thread down. As you can see, I'll just move my fingers out of the way here. I'm working the thread down right tight up to the eye. Then bring the foam back. Just flip the foam back on itself. Come down another turn or two, I think. Right tight. Another couple of turns. Want to be right tight up at the close to that eye. Bring the phone back 2 or 3 turns, keeping your thread tight. Come straight in with the whip finishing tool, and before you send the knot home, let's get yourself a touch of varnish or super glue, whatever you like to use. Bring that up in, pull the thread tight, trim away your tang thread, and then just come in. I just cut this flush, guys. That's going to give us our head. Now, you can come in at this point and start trimming it and pruning it if you like. I just sort of leave it the way it is. I'm not going to cut it much. Now, what I do want to do is to keep this split, because that is an angler in my head. That's the view that matters. It's not the view of what I'm seeing up here. So take yourself a wee drop of varnish. I wouldn't advise using super glue. Just take a wee drop of varnish, put a wee bead of varnish in there. Let that sort of way soak through into the fibres, and that'll keep that split. And there you go, guys. Very, very simple detached spent. Hopefully you have enjoyed that. You have got something from it. Dead easy to tie. Don't I know loads of boys talk to me that shy away from tie. These are dead easy. Nothing to it. Just get your detached body right, your proportions. All you're basically tying is a thorax and a wing. As always, guys, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It's greatly appreciated. This is the first time watching. Please consider subscribing. It just helps the wee channel grow. And until the next time, look after yourselves and all being well. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.